All right, well, we're in a weather alert for tomorrow. We've been talking about this for a few days, of course. There'll be periods of heavy rain and some strong wind. Now, it is not going to pour rain all day, but out of the gate tomorrow morning for the morning drive, there could be some pockets of moderate rainfall to get through. The wind shouldn't be terribly strong tomorrow morning, but it will become so at this time tomorrow night. Heavy rain, strong wind. That's when we have a risk of seeing some power outages. Especially in areas that are getting gusts over 50 to near 60 miles an hour. That's along Narragansett Bay, Buzzards Bay, coastal parts of Massachusetts and Rhode Island in particular. The coastal flood impact minimal, but not zero. High tides at 4 p.m. tomorrow. Strong southerly wind at that time could certainly cause some splash over, big waves, and obviously maybe some restrictions on the ferries that are running at that time, at least for a few hours tomorrow night. All right, holiday decorations, vulnerable to this type of wind. We're talking wind stronger than that would be able to move the decorations around. So if you can secure your decorations, bring them in particular late tonight and keep them inside through Thursday, because it's still going to stay breezy on Thursday. You might be happy that you did so. Other than that, possibility of some power outages. Certainly rely upon how strong those wind gusts get. As I mentioned, over 55 miles an hour. Unavoidable that we may get some power loss with that. All right, 44 degrees at 4 o'clock this morning, and by 10 a.m. it was down to 35. And we essentially stayed in that range all day, as you know. It was just a damp, cool day. 67, the record high, and 5 above from 1968, today's record low. Fog's an issue right now. This is a live look in from New Bedford. Our People's Credit Union Skycam there atop the Regency Apartments. High humidity and temperatures that are mostly above, comfortably above the freezing mark. We're at 39 in New Bedford, but there are some pockets of near freezing temperatures in northwestern Rhode Island and Worcester County. So be careful if you're traveling to those spots overnight, because the temperature will stay cold all night farther inland. Near the coast, these temperatures are coming up by the morning drive as the rain chances increase gradually tomorrow. I've got a boundary stalled just south of Long Island. That's going to slowly lift through by tomorrow morning. Those fronts have a notoriously hard time moving through at night in the colder months. That's our rain system, obviously getting better organized to the south. It's going to pull up this milder air. It was in the 60s around Atlanta, Georgia today. So we're going to see a high temperature tomorrow, near or above 60 degrees, with that increasing southerly wind and those pockets of moderate to at times heavy rain. Like 7 a.m., the morning commute dealing with that heavy rain, and then it may taper off to just a few scattered showers at times in the midday and early afternoon hours, and then between 5 and 11 p.m. as this narrow line of the heaviest rain and strongest wind mixes down. That comes through till about midnight. Thunderstorms are possible with that as well. Breezy and cooler weather follows for us on Thursday. Thursday will be much more like a December day. Highs around 40 degrees, a little breezy, wind chill likely in the 20s to near 30 all afternoon. Rain amounts for most of us 1.5 inches to maybe as much as 3 inches of rain. A little less toward the Cape, but still significant amount of rain there, 1 inch or more. And the wind warning, the high wind warning for these areas that are shaded in red, and again, that includes all of our coast in areas, let me back up to that for 1 second. That includes all the areas around Narragansett Bay and Buzzards Bay. These spots could easily get wind gusts near 60 miles an hour. So again, that would be in the evening time frame as those heavy showers and that front's coming through. So that's something we'll be watching all day tomorrow with that weather alert. So we go from 62 to 39 on Thursday. The wind drops off for Friday, and the weekend's looking dry right now before some showers return on Monday. That's your latest forecast.